வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. ஸோ நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1 ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா 2011 அதாவது குரூப் 1 கேட்கப்பட்ட ஹிஸ்ட்ரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ், வரலாற்று கேள்விகள். சரிங்களா? நம்ம நேரடி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போகலாம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். மேட்ச் list 1 with list 2 correctly and select your answer using the codes given below. List 1 and list 2. Salt Satyagraha, Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy. Protest against Devadasi system, Somyajulu. Neil statues, Satyagraha. Kasturi Ranga Iyengar, the Hindu, Vedaranyam. The choices, director will go. The choice, the right answer is 4. அதாவது B. A 4, that is Salt Satyagraha, Vedaranyam. B, that is protest against Devadasi, it's Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy. C, Neil statue, Satyagraha, Somyajulu. Then the Hindu, Kasturi Ranga Iyengar. Second question. Who laid the foundation of the British Empire? A. Robert Clive. B. Lord Napier. C. Lord Ripon. D. Lord Cornwallis. The correct answer is A. Robert Clive. Third question. Qutbuddin Aibak was a slave of A. Mizaddin. B. Muhammad of Ghori. C. Muhammad of Ghazni. D. Khwarazm Shah. The correct answer is Muhammad Ghori. Fourth question. Identify the correct order in which they occurred in India. A. Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, Khilafat movement, civil disobedience movement. B. Civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement. C. Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement. D. Non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, Khilafat movement, civil disobedience movement. The correct answer is C. Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, and Quit India movement. Fifth question. The queen who took the lead in the South Indian rebellion was A. Jakkamma. B. Vellai Nachiyar. C. Muttai Ammal. D. Velu Nachiyar. The correct answer is D. Velu Nachiyar. Sixth question. V.O. Chidambaram Pillai founded the Sudesi Steam Navigation Company to operate between Tuticorin and A. Mauritius. B. Singapore. C. Sri Lanka. D. Malaysia. The correct answer is C. Sri Lanka. Seventh question. The two major cities of Hindu civilization revealing uniform urban planning were A. Mohenjo-daro and Chandudaro. B. Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. C. Mohenjo-daro and Dholavira. D. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The correct answer is D. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Eighth question. Which Mughal emperor was defeated by Sher Shah? A. Babur. B. Humayun. C. Jahangir. D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is B. Humayun. Ninth question. Existence of league of Tamil states is referred in the A. Girnar inscription. B. Hadigumba inscription of Karavela. C. Jamba inscription. D. Sannadi inscription. The correct answer is B. Hadigumba inscription of Karavela. 10th question. The Mughal emperor to show interest in painting was A. Akbar. B. Humayun. C. Shahjahan. D. Babur. The correct answer is D. Babur. 11th question. In which year the diarchy introduced? A. 1919. B. 1909. C. 1935. D. 1947. The correct answer is A. 1919. Who among the following Europeans were the first to come to India and leave India last? A. The Portuguese. B. The French. C. The English. D. The Dutch. The correct answer is A. The Portuguese. 13th question. In which of the following places was the first telegraph line in India was set up? A. Kolkata and Diamond Harbour. B. Kolkata and New Delhi. C. Chennai and Mumbai. D. Kolkata and Chennai. The correct answer is A. Kolkata and Diamond Harbour. 14th question. Tirupur Kumaran died in the year A. 1930, B. 1932, C. 1933, D. 1934. The correct answer is B. 1932. 15th question. Kanchipuram Kailasanatha temple was built during the reign of A. Mahendravarman, B. Rangapataka, C. Rajasimha, D. Narasimha I. The correct answer is C. Rajasimha. 16th question. Captain Lakshmi, the only woman representative in the independent Madras province ministry, was 1. Daughter of Ammu Saminathan, a patriot. 2. Captain of Jhansi military wing. 3. Educated in England. 4. Leader of Indian National Army. Of these, A. 1 alone, B. 1 and 2, C. 1 and 4, D. 3 and 4. The correct answer is 1 and 2. 17th question. Match the list 1 with 2. Chera, bull, Chola, fish, Pandya, bow and arrow, Pallava, tiger. The correct answer B. That's 3, 4, 2, 1. That is Chera is bow and arrow, Chola is tiger, Pandya fish, Pallava is bull. 18th question. Which one of the following is correctly matched? A. Parshvanath, 24th Tirthankara. B. Mahavira, last Tirthankara. C. Jatakas, Jain literature. D. Angama Siddhanta, Buddhist literature. The correct answer is B. Mahavira, last Tirthankara. 19th question. Which of the following dates was assigned to Hindu civilization by Sir John Marshall? A. 3250 to 2750 BC, B. 3500 to 3000 BC, C. 3000 to 2550 BC, D. 3000 to 2000 BC. The correct answer is A. 3250 to 2750 BC. 20th question. The Aryans had popular assemblies, sabhas and samiti to check A. on the power of the king, B. on the power of Brohida, C. on the power of the army chief, D. on the power of village head. The correct answer is on the power of the king. 21st question. Which one among the following is incorrect? A. E.V. Ramasamy, anti-caste, anti-religion. B. C.N. Annadurai, anti-imperialist, pro-nationalist. C. M. Karunanidhi, anti-imperialist, pro-nationalist and writer. D. Rajagopalachari, anti-Brahmin, anti-North, anti-Aryan. The correct answer is D. Rajagopalachari, anti-Brahmin, anti-North and anti-Aryan. 22nd question. Mahatma Gandhi suspended the non-cooperation movement due to Chauri Chaura incident in the year A. 1920, B. 1921, C. 1922, D. 1923. The correct answer is C. 1922. 23rd question. The national calendar based on the Saka era was adopted from A. 22nd March 1950, B. 1st January 1950, C. 22nd March 1957, D. 22nd August 1952. The correct answer is C. 22nd March 1957. 24th question. Consider the following statements. Assertion. Veerapatti Kattapomman was captured and handed over to the British by Vijay Raghunatha Thondaiman, Raja of Pudukottai. The reason. He was a friend of the British. Now select the correct answer giving the coding given below. A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation to A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation to A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false and R is true. The correct answer is B. That is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation to A. 25th question. The earliest brick temple in India was built by A. Mauryas, B. Sungas, C. Vijayanagaras, D. Guptas. Correct answer is D. Guptas. 26th question. Match 1 and 2. Nana Sahib, partition of Bengal, Vellore Mutiny, 1947, Lord Curzon, 1806, Indian Independence Act, 1857 revolt. The correct answer is 4, 3, 1, 2. That is Nana Sahib, 1857 revolt, Vellore Mutiny, 1806, Lord Curzon, partition of Bengal, Independence Act, 1947. 27th question. The Pandyan king who consolidated and expanded the Pandyan kingdom up to Kaveri was A. Sendan Chelian, B. Sundarapandian, C. Koonbandian, D. Kadungon. The correct answer is B. Sundarapandian. 28th question. The first ruler of the Chola dynasty who kept strong navy was A. Rajaraja the Great, B. Rajendra I, C. Rajadiraja I and Rajendra II. The correct answer is Rajendra I. 29th question. The shore temple of Mamallapuram was built by A. Narasimhavarman I, B. Mahendravarman I, C. Parameswaravarman I, D. Narasimhavarman II. The correct answer is A. Narasimhavarman I. 30th question. A great exponent of Mahayanism was A. Dharmakirti, B. Diganaga, C. Vasubandhu Asanga, D. Nagarjuna. The correct answer is D. Nagarjuna. 31st question. Pundi Reservoir was planned and provide water to Madras by A. Satyamurthy Iyer, B. Nadesa Mudaliar, C. Ramasamy Reddiyar, D. B. S. Kumarasamy. The correct answer is A. Satyamurthy Iyer. 32nd question. When did the Madras government issue a first communal GO? A. 1920, B. 1921, C. 1922, D. 1927. The correct answer is B. 1921. 33rd question. Dash gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji. A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Motilal Nehru, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. 34th question. Prehistory of India can be dated back to A. 5 lakh BC, B. 50,000 BC, C. 5,000 BC, D. 1000 BC. The correct answer is 5 lakh BC. 35th question. The Allahabad pillar inscription was composed by A. Kalidasa, B. Samudragupta, C. Harisena, D. Visavadatta. The correct answer is B. Samudragupta. 36th question. Udaygiri Fort is located in A. Kanyakumari, B. Tirunelveli, C. Ramnad, D. Sivaganga. The correct answer is A. Kanyakumari. 37th question. The Chola dynasty was an ancient Tamil kingdom along the banks of the river A. Kaveri, B. Krishna, C. Godavari, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is A. Kaveri. 38th question. Match with list 1 with list 2. A. Sankaracharya, dualism, Ramanuja, Veera Saivism, Madhvacharya, Advaita, Basaveshwara, Vasishtha. The quotes are, so directly we can go to answer. The correct choice is C. 3, 4, 1, 2. That is Sankaracharya, it's Advaita, Ramanuja, Visishtadvaita, and Madhvacharya, dualism, Basaveshwara, Veera Saivism. 39th question. The Indian Independence Bill was brought in the House of Commons on A. 22nd June 1947, B. 4th June 1947, C. 4th July 1947, D. 15th August 1947. The correct answer is 4th July 1947. 40th question. Which of the following is called the Ganga of South? A. The Pennar, B. The Kaveri, C. The Dhamrabarni, D. The Palar. The correct answer is B. The Kaveri. 41st question. The term Pramodeya denotes A. Cash granted to Brahmanas, B. Taxes granted to Brahmanas, C. Land granted to Brahmanas, D. Land granted to temple. The correct answer is C. Land granted to Brahmanas. The last question, 42nd question. The Red Fort at Delhi was constructed by A. Babur, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Shahjahan. The correct answer is D. Shahjahan. So thank you very much. So we'll see the another question. That's now history is over. We'll start some other subject in.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.